Kangaroos are iconic marsupials native to Australia, instantly recognizable by their powerful hind legs, large feet, long tails, and pouches. They belong to the family Macropodidae, which means big foot. These fascinating creatures are well adapted to the Australian landscape, where they inhabit various environments ranging from forests to grasslands. One of the most distinctive features of kangaroos is their incredible hopping ability. Their hind legs are specially designed for hopping, allowing them to cover vast distances at high speeds, reaching up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts and covering over 25 feet in a single leap. This mode of movement is an efficient way to conserve energy in their arid habitat. Kangaroos come in different species and sizes, from the smaller wallabies to the larger red kangaroos, which are the largest marsupials in the world. They display sexual dimorphism, with males being larger and more muscular than females. The males often have developed chest muscles and can be distinguished by their fighting behavior, using their powerful tails and legs to compete for dominance and mates. Another intriguing aspect of kangaroos is their reproduction method. Females have a unique pouch where they nurture their young, called joeys. After a very short gestation period, the size of a jelly bean-sized joey, which is born in an undeveloped state, climbs into the mother's pouch where it continues to grow and develop. For several months, the joey remains in the pouch, nursing and gradually emerging to explore the world while periodically returning to the safety of the pouch. Kangaroos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, and shoots. Their diet is well suited to their environment, allowing them to survive in various regions across Australia. However, habitat loss, human intervention, and road accidents pose significant threats to their population. Conservation efforts focus on preserving their natural habitats and implementing measures to protect them from various dangers. In addition to their ecological significance, kangaroos hold a prominent place in Australian culture and symbolism. They are featured on Australia's coat of arms, embodying the country's unique wildlife and wilderness. Kangaroos have also become popular symbols in art, literature, and tourism, attracting people from around the world to admire these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. Absolutely, let's dive deeper into the incredible world of kangaroos. Kangaroos are highly social animals, typically forming groups known as mobs or troops. These groups vary in size and structure depending on the species and environmental factors. Within these social units, there's a hierarchy, often led by the dominant male, which maintains order and access to resources such as food and mates. Their communication is intriguing, involving various vocalizations, body postures, and gestures. Grunts, clicks, hisses, and thumps are some of the sounds they use to communicate with each other, especially during mating rituals or to alert others about potential dangers. Interestingly, kangaroos have adapted remarkably to Australia's arid and variable climate. They have developed physiological mechanisms to conserve water and energy. They can efficiently regulate their body temperature and metabolism, allowing them to thrive in harsh conditions where food and water may be scarce. The relationship between humans and kangaroos is multifaceted. While kangaroos are an important part of Australia's identity and wildlife, they're also economically significant. The kangaroo industry, primarily focused on harvesting kangaroo meat and leather, has sparked debates about conservation, ethical treatment,